What I wish I knew before the dough hit the fan. Here's how to make your bake shop run like a dream. Once upon a time in the bustling city of Wadab, the Oredanap Bakeshop chain had a problem. While their muffins were flufftastic and croissants crunched just right, their operations were a hot mess. Enter Mercy, the determined operations manager. Her mission? Optimize those processes. Step 1, mapping the current recipe. Mercy and her team listed out every step of the bake shop operations on a big whiteboard. So that's why the chocolate chips keep disappearing, Sam, the assistant baker, exclaimed. To optimize, first map it out. Step 2, whipping up a new approach. They ditched on-demand baking for batch production. More muffins in less time, Sarah, the head baker, cheered. Batching shaved 20 minutes off prep time. Magic, right? Step 3, the sprinkle of automation. Mercy brought in inventory tracking software. Oh, thankdo, Hannah grinned. The app predicted their needs, preventing mid-bake egg hunts. Step 4, tasting the results. Orders flowed, ovens operated like clockwork, and customers got their pastries fresher and faster. Step 5, the final glaze, continuous improvement. Mercy set up monthly reviews. Maybe a faster frosting machine, Sam suggested. The bake shop kept refining like tweaking a perfect recipe, a sprinkle of success. The roadmap wasn't just about speed, it created a harmonious kitchen rhythm, like a well-choreographed dance. Oredanap baked up a recipe for success with curiosity, tech and teamwork. And that, my friends, is how you optimize a process. Crispy, smooth and with a dash of fun. Follow, comment and share for more.